Today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is Former Firefighter Gets Arrested Pretending to be Police.
Watch as this former firefighter gets himself arrested for impersonating an officer while on his way to a 9/11 memorial. On September 11th, 2025, police in St. Charles, Illinois pulled over an odd-looking patrol vehicle for having suspended registration. As the officer walks up to speak with the uniformed driver, he quickly realizes the man is pretending to be someone he isn't.
Morning, Sergeant Jackson, St. Charles PD. How you doing?
Morning, sir.
Looks like your registration is suspended.
Really?
Yeah. Do you have your license, proof of insurance?
Can I step out?
Step out?
Yeah, just I can reach my wall.
Okay.
I'm not gonna cause any problems.
Yeah, okay.
I'm the same team.
Oh, okay. Who do you work for?
I'm retired out of New York.
Okay.
I come in town for the memorial service.
Oh, okay, cool. Who do you work for right now?
Right now I'm unemployed.
Okay.
That's my ID. I'm starting to have a little anxiety, so I apologize. I'm trying to work with you here. There's an issue with my license.
What's wrong with your license?
Okay. So in New York State, I'm trying to get my license all cleared up and get it transferred out here. For some reason, there's a snafu out in New York. I'm trying to get New York to clarify. New York State is like horrendous getting information from them.
Okay.
So I'm trying to work with them to try to see if I can't figure out what's going on with it, why there's a hold on it, etc. Okay. There is another licensed operator in the vehicle.
Do you have insurance?
I do, but I don't have it with me. I have the policy. I just recently moved from Rockford, where that address is, to Rock Island. So I've misplaced the paperwork, and I apologize for that. But
who else is in the vehicle?
There's in the front seat, in the front passenger seat. His name is Don. The gentleman that's in the back seat, his first name is. Neither one of them have an operator's license. The girl in the back seat, right behind me, her name is. She is an operator.
Okay.
She does have.
Do you have any kind of credentials from when you worked as a fire, or what was your title there?
I was just a firefighter.
Okay.
So what I do have is me in uniform in front of the station. There's those.
You don't have.
Not on me, no.
Okay.
No, I just come up, like I said, for the 9/11 memorial service that St. Charles is having.
And who's got a license in there?
The female right behind me.
Okay. All right, why don't you have a seat in the car? Have a seat in the car. Does anybody have IDs on them?
Yeah. It's an old address.
Okay. All right, do me a favor, hang tight, okay? All right, come back here. Okay. Where did you work at before? You said in New York?
Yeah, in upstate New York, yeah.
Okay. You don't have any kind of proof of that?
Not on me, no.
Okay. Why wouldn't you carry that on you?
I left earlier this morning. I left about 4 o'clock this morning. I was tired. I just wanted to get up there. 9/11 is very important to me. I was one of the responders at the towers. We assisted in that. So this was the closest place that I could find to do a memorial service. I don't miss memorial services every year.
What department did you work for?
New Hampshire.
What's that?
I go 5 mile point.
Okay. So if you're no longer employed with them, why are you still wearing a uniform?
It's the uniform that I purchased myself. It was a volunteer department.
So you purchased
Yes.
the uniform?
Yeah. I only wear it on September 11th, go to the service, have the service, go home.
Do you see how this is kind of a little bit weird to me?
I do.
Okay.
That's why I was trying to be honest with you up front.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
showed you the pictures and all that stuff. I'm just trying to
Step over here.
Yeah.
So I guess, so you never been in any kind of trouble or anything besides the license or anything like that?
Yeah.
Okay, you never been arrested or anything?
I had a violation of order of protection. There was no domestic, but it was a violation of order of protection. But I didn't realize, I walked past my ex-wife's house. She'd filed for an emergency order of protection. Of course, you know how that works. Emergency order of protection, I'm not notified. They agreed to that. I got served. I was on my way back from a hospital. I was heading back home. I didn't realize just simply walking past her house was the violation.
Where was this at? No.
This is up front.
And that's the only time you've ever been arrested? Okay. Never been arrested in New York?
I had.
Yeah, but come on, man. What you doing walking past your ex house? Come on, let's be honest here. We all got exes, man. And you just happen to be walking by her house? Sound like you were stalking to me. I don't know. Yeah, this guy definitely going, boy. His car says security patrol He don't do no security. He's retired. License and all that is jacked up. And you saying that you from out of state. A lot of times when people be like, oh, I'm from out of state, yada, yada, whatever, or like they thinking that the database can't find them or some shit. That's why they be saying that.
Charges back in New York State. Oh, Christ, when was that? 2010?
Okay. So when I ask you a question, you ever been arrested? And then you tell me no, or only in Illinois. And then I say New York. Then you say, oh, yeah. Well, what about, yeah, I guess I did in New York.
I understand.
It's not adding up, man. So I need you to be honest.
Okay.
You ever been arrested in New York?
New York.
Tell me why.
Okay, it was for it's called grand larceny. I let a guy borrow my computer. He used my computer. He downloaded some checks. I didn't know anything about it. I got picked up under New York state law. Because it was my computer, I must have had knowledge. So they picked me up. I served my time. Everything's completely done. I was actually removed from parole early, so they never caused any problems. I went to work. I went home. That was it.
And that's it. No other states.
New Hampshire years ago.
Oh, God, Lee, get this guy out of here. What the frig? Another state? Come on, man. Yo, he can't be serious. You cannot be serious. Why does the officer have to keep pulling things out of you? Why can't you just say it? Or better yet, you have the right to remain silent. Better yet, just do that. Just shut the fuck up. Oh, boy.
Talk uniform from this department. I purchased it through Gulf.
So if I call them right now, they're going to say they know who you are.
Yeah.
And you used to work there.
I was a volunteer firefighter for them, yes.
Okay, when?
Give me a minute, I'll tell you the years. It was 2018 to April or so of 2019.
And why do you not work there anymore?
I moved out to Wisconsin.
I'll go ahead and give them a call and you hang out here. Just not right now. Give me a second.
I was going to look up a number for this department.
He'll find it. Google it or something.
I'm just trying to show you guys that I'm trying to assist. I don't want to say the words, but I'm not a scumbag.
You guys from out that way?
Sorry.
You guys from out that way?
I am.
You are?
They're all three of them from the Quad Cities.
Okay.
We just came up this morning from Rock Island. Crazy Rock Island. Well, a lot of communities, we were talking about that this morning. A lot of communities aren't doing 9/11 services anymore.
Yeah, it's a shame.
That's sad.
We had ours this morning. You don't got any like retired commission card or anything like that?
No, because we don't work in a career department, which is a volunteer department.
Oh, okay. Did they know that it was a volunteer department or no?
I mentioned to them, yes.
Okay. Yeah, let me just double check. Okay.
Just before I left, how our department was set up is like the chief and captain and lieutenants are voted in within the department.
Okay.
Okay.
So you guys like self-vote those?
Yeah. Okay. So he got voted in as one of the deputy chiefs. Okay. So he could verify the fact.
Yeah, we'll see what they come up.
Just to let you know that I'm trying to give you guys as much information.
I appreciate it. It helps. Alrighty, unfortunately here at St. Charles, you are suspended, so we're going to have to take you in, okay? Do me a favor and turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
So what
First suspended. What's that?
What happens from here?
We're going to go back and give you a court date and a ticket, and then we'll get you released, okay? You got anything in the car that you need? Is there anything illegal in the car?
No, there's nothing illegal.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Is there anything that you need out of there?
That's
I know you got your wallet.
No, I don't believe so. I believe we got everything.
He's gonna, Dom's gonna take him, so.
There's a waiting area in this gas station.
You're gonna have to tow the vehicle.
Yeah.
What's it gonna take to get the vehicle back? Like I say, man, I'm trying
Yeah,
to
no,
work
I
with
know.
you, bud.
Well, I know, but when I asked you about if you ever been arrested, kind of bullshit me a little bit, right? I mean, we could both.
It wasn't intended, but yeah, I understand.
When I asked you if you've been arrested, you only give me the Illinois stuff. You know, I can look it up. You know that, so there's no sense of doing that,
That's
right?
why I stepped out. It's like this. I'm trying to.
I understand, and honestly, yeah, I'm trying to give you
anxiety.
a lot of benefit about too.
In the lobby of your car, these guys are getting out and they're gonna go to the gas station.
It's just you had a chance to be honest with me, and you weren't. So we're gonna wait.
Wasn't my intent.
Okay. Well, I appreciate you.
Like this, I'm trying to.
Yep.
A little security. We ain't got a whole lot of money. So, trying to keep the cost down as best we can. I mean, are we looking at just a tow fee or?
So there will be a tow fee. It depends on. So I'm not the arresting officer. I'm not the one who stopped you.
Right.
It'll ultimately be up to him if it's impounded for driving on a suspended license without insurance. If that is the case, then it's a $500 administrative fee from the city before the tow fee. I'm not the one who's in charge of making that decision, so that'll be up to the officer who's arrested is. But yeah, that's what you'd be looking at. And then
he gonna impound it because why? Because you bullshitted him. You could already tell he agitated. You give me some bullshit, man. Have you ever been arrested? Oh, here in Illinois. Oh, nothing in New York? Well, yeah, in New York. Oh, and that's it, huh? Oh, that's it? Nowhere else? Well, over in the Hampshire. Come on, man.
yeah, he's gonna meet you. He's gonna meet you back at the station to do the paperwork.
That's what I'm trying to avoid. I mean, I understand it's getting towed.
As I said, we have to. Unfortunately, it's just one of those things. Driving on the roadway without insurance and all that.
I didn't realize it was the registration was suspended. Otherwise, we never would have brought that. The female is there. She has her own vehicle, and we were discussing about maybe bringing hers. It's smaller. It's probably a little bit better on gas, and there was multiple reasons we could have brought hers, but mine's got a little bit more room.
Challenge coins.
I say 911 was.
Mind just having a seat for me, sir?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I don't want you to think I'm trying to give you a hassle.
No, you're not. You being reasonable.
I will be released today.
Yeah. So we're gonna take you back to the station. It's just got to do a couple paperwork and a couple of tickets, and then you'll be released from the station.
They're going to be up here.
Yeah, same trouble. So
I'm not trying to delay. I'm just trying to figure out because I don't want to get separated from them.
No, and I'll let them know where the police station is. That way they can meet you there, and you'll be able to make phone calls from there too. You can give them a call or whatever, let them know, whatever, if you want to meet them somewhere else or something like that. Yeah, we got your phone. You'll be able to look at it to get the numbers off of it. So, yeah. I'll let them know that you'll give them a call, okay?
Have them stamp it or whatever. All right. Yeah, I don't want you to think I was trying to delay getting in the car.
No. You're fine.
I appreciate it.
The suspect was charged with impersonating an officer, possession of stolen property, driving with a suspended license, and driving without insurance. If you enjoyed this video, please...
Ooh, impersonating an officer. So they did do their research. Yeah, he cooked. Well, maybe not necessarily, man. Nowadays, man, you could do whatever and they just gonna, drop the case anyway. So, whatever. But yeah, I think overall the officer did pretty good, man. And then pulling out the information from him and everything like that. So everything was all good on his end, man. I'm gonna give him 5 out of 5, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video.